Hello, Chilancers! So ito yung listahan ng 11 VA agencies for beginners. So these are agencies that accepts virtual assistants that has no experience. Okay, so paano mag-apply? Just click the link to visit their website. So yung website, so first na agencies, Ukli. So ang website nila ay https ukli@breezy.hr. So ilalagay ko lahat yung description sa description yung website nila. So, for now, I'll discuss each of them. So, Ukli, free training, starting salary is $3 to $5 per hour. Okay, and then second is Rapid Assistant. So, they offer free training. Starting salary is $3 to $5 per hour. So, www.rapidassistance.com yung ano nila, website. Next naman is Infinity Web Solutions, free training. Starting salary is $3 to $5 per hour. And then yung website nila is infinity-web-solutions.com. Next one is Cool Blue VAs. This is best for medical VAs, yung mga nurses, midwiferys, anything na related sa medical courses. Medical VA is your perfect niche. So, pwede kayo mag-apply sa Cool Blue VA. So, free training sila. Okay, hindi na disclose kung magkano yung starting pero I think pang $5 per hour ata. Okay, next naman, OVA Virtual. So, free training, starting salary is $3 to $5 per hour. And then https ovavirtual.com yung website. Next naman, Cyberbacker. So, free training, starting salary is $3 to $5 per hour, and their website is cyberbackercareers.com/careers. All right. Next naman is VA Platinum, free training, starting salary is $4 to $5 per hour. Then, website nila is vaplatinum.com.au/careers. Okay, Sidekicks, free training, starting salary is $5 per hour. Then, ang website nila is sidekicks.co/customer service. Okay, next naman is 24/7 VA. Free training, starting salary is $3 per hour. And then flexible schedule, di ba? Ang ganda, flexible schedule, meaning you can work anytime you want. And their website is 247va.com/become-a-bas. Ayan. Okay, next naman is e-virtual assistant, free training, starting salary is $3 per hour. Flexible schedule siya. And then their website is www.evirtualassistance.com. And then we also have Fast Track FBA, free training, starting salary is $3 per hour. And then their website is fasttrackfba.com, ayan, /amazon-arbitrage-sourcing-va-academy. And then I just have a reminder before you apply, make sure to use my free resume template located in my YouTube bio, Alex Sagun, and then follow for more tips. All right. Thank you so much and good luck to your applications.